Hello and welcome to FieldBoss. Today, I will discuss the advanced find functions, creating your own views, and reporting. The advanced find function allows you to filter entities by many different criteria. You can save these combinations of filters as views for easy access. To access advanced find, click the Create View button on the top menu pane. If you cannot see this button, click on the three vertical dots in the top menu pane and click the Create View button. The Advanced Find window should now pop up. To create the specific view that you want, click New and then start selecting the criteria that you want to filter by. For example, if I was looking to filter by owners, I would click the downward arrow beside the box and then find owner within the list. After that, I will click the downward facing arrow to the right of this box to select what type of search I am looking for. There are many different types of searches, including those for equals, contains, and begins with. I will make mine related to equals. Finally, I will select the value that I wish to search by. If I wanted to look for cases started by Martin Beechner and Stuart Taube, I would simply scroll down, select their names, click the Select button, then click Add. If I now hit the Results button, indicated by the red exclamation mark in the top menu pane, I should be able to see all the entities that meet the criteria that I set out. Returning to the Advanced Find screen, I can add more than one criterion to this filter. When I do this, Advanced Find will look for entities that possess all the criteria that I selected. For example, if I select building location and select ocean-wide plaza, I will now be able to see the only case that was started by either of the two owners in this building. If I wanted to see entities that had either or of one of these criteria, I would select both rows and then click the Group Or button. Now, if I click the Results button, I should be able to see a list of cases that were either created by one of the two owners specified or pertain to the Ocean-wide Plaza building. You can also edit the columns in any given view by returning to the Advanced Find window and clicking the Edit Columns button in the top menu pane. Here, you can see many settings such as move columns around, add columns, as well as remove columns. When I'm satisfied with both the criteria my view looks for and the columns my view will display, I will hit the Save As button in the top menu pane to save this view for future use. After I enter a short but descriptive name, I will click Save. If I now switch to the Cases window, I should be able to see my view under the My Views section in the drop-down menu beside Active Cases. Finally, I can easily export data from these views to Excel. I can do this by clicking the downwards arrow beside the Export to Excel button and choosing whether I want to export to a static or a dynamic worksheet. Changes made in FieldBoss do not automatically update in static worksheets, but they do automatically update in dynamic worksheets. For example, I will choose to export this view into a static worksheet. Exporting this view to Excel, I can now create meaningful reports from the Excel platform. You should now feel comfortable using the Advanced Find function in FieldBoss. To learn more, check out some of our other videos or reach out to a FieldBoss consultant. Thank you for watching.